The Infinity 3-piece professional saw blade package is the perfect choice for anyone with a 10-inch table saw and includes our 3 most popular blades. With this package, you'll be able to make glue line rips, splinter-free crosscuts in solid wood and delicate veneered plywoods, and everything in between. Each blade is made with a laser-cut, cold-rolled steel body, super sharp and tough C4 micrograin carbide teeth, and finished with our ultra-durable chrome armor plating. The first blade in this package is our 24-tooth ripping blade, which features a true flat-top grind and aggressive rake angle for easy feeding. This will be your go-to blade for ripping even the thickest hardwoods and is perfect for joinery like box joints and splines. The second blade in this package is our 50-tooth Combo Max blade with an ATBR combination tooth pattern. This blade is a jack of all trades, capable of producing beautiful rip cuts in hardwoods up to 3/4 of an inch thick and cross cuts in both solid wood and plywood. This super durable blade is ready for almost anything you throw at it and is the blade you'll find on our saw most of the time. Finally, the 80-tooth ultra-smooth blade with high ATB grind is ready to make the most demanding cuts in splinter-prone veneered plywoods and melamine. It also excels at producing the cleanest, splinter-free crosscuts and miters in solid wood. This is a blade you want on your table saw for the most demanding cuts. Stop wasting time struggling with inferior saw blades. Pick up our 3-piece professional saw blade package.